Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Nissan Maxima, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to take off your front door panel from your doors. I'm gonna show you on passenger side, since it's gonna be the same procedure, same like a driver's side. Just in this case you have one less connector than there. I mean, it's gonna be the same thing. Okay, so to change the door, what we have to do, we have to grab a flathead screwdriver. Okay, and let's start by taking off this panel right here. Okay, so this pretty much is just a panel which is being held down by clips. So just this thing, good thing is soft, it's good, so we can just get our screwdriver in, try to not scratch this plastic. You won't, I believe it's hard to scratch this thing, but this is easy to scratch. So just a little bit, get your screwdriver in and don't overforce it, just up little bit, unclick the panel. Look like that. 1, 2, just little bit by little bit, no rush. Okay, a little bit here and here and here. Okay, once you can grab it, just get it out. Same thing with the driver's side. Here we have a connector pin, just press on the pin and then you'll be able to just get this out. Next thing, we have to remove this cap. Okay, so there's a hole right here. You could use some hook, but I usually use just a screwdriver, and you should be able to, using actually two hands, just get this cap out. Okay, again, try not to stretch anything and put the cap on the floor for now. We have access to screw right now, and we're gonna have to get this lid out right here also. Okay, so this screwdriver actually is a little bit too big. You can use a smaller one or some hook, some kind of hook, just to get this plastic out. Okay, so remove this cover, just put it same place. Now we're gonna get the 10mm ratchet. Or you can use screwdriver also, but what I'm gonna use 10mm ratchet. 1 second, and remove this and this bolts. Okay, get them bolts out. 1, 2, drop them on the floor, and that's it. At this point you should be able to actually remove the panel from the door. So, one more thing we forgot to do is we have to take this light out. So we're gonna grab a screwdriver right from here, just a little bit like this, and get out this light and remove the connector. Same way, just using a screwdriver, press over here and pull it off. And that's it. Okay, at this point the panel should be unclippable, and we're just gonna do that. So I've unclipped the panel. This is also removable. Anything's holding down? No, just have to raise up the panel, that's it. Here we go. Got the panel off. Now let's remove these things. Just a little bit hard to do it with one hand. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, that's it. Now we have the panel off. Okay guys, let's put the panel back on. Okay, let's start by putting our links back on. So here comes, this one goes on top. Okay, so we were just getting it in whole, and putting it here like this. You have to press on it because it has to go inside. One, and the second one. Two. Good. Now we have to realign our, so yeah, this thing is going to be here. Now we have to realign our clips. Okay, so clips go in holes. Okay, if you have some clips, oh okay, I have one clip. I'm going to show you. Sometimes it happens that you have a clip left in the door, so you have to remove the clip and put it back in the panel. So just by using a screwdriver, you're gonna get the pin out, put it back in panel like this, and that's it. Now we have to just realign and put back the panel. Actually, take this part from here. Okay, take it off, put it manually on. Okay, it just clips in. So first thing you want to do, you want to just put the top on. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys here and so you can see. Putting the top on. Okay. So you have to make sure there's no gaps, nothing. And it should go back and really easy. If the holes are aligned, don't lose this connector. If holes are aligned, that's it. The panel's back on. Now what we have to, okay, now. Okay, so we did the clips. Now the panel is back on. What we have to do now, we're just gonna put our screws and stuff back. So here, yeah, connect the connector. Just plug and play. Put it back in. Slam it, it's gonna go back. Redo our screws, one here, one there. Make sure the screws holes are aligned. If it's not aligned, it means you're doing something wrong. So if it's aligned, it's all good. Put the screws back in. Okay, I have screws back on. We're gonna take caps. This is this cap. Just put it back in, press on it, it should just click in. Take this, put this on, just clips in, and this bottom piece. Okay, now see what we did here? We lost our bottom piece. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna try to get it in. Good thing we got it out here. Yeah, like this. And click it back in. That's it. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye bye.